So for part A of number 2, the first part asks us to find the average velocity of the truck during the interval from 0 to 3 seconds. So to find average velocity, we don't use the velocity function because that gives us instantaneous velocity. We just use the definition of average velocity, which is that it is displacement divided by the time it takes for that displacement to happen. And displacement is change in position. So we're just gonna find the position at 3 seconds at the end of the time interval and then subtract where it was at 0 seconds, which was the beginning of the interval, and then divide by the amount of time that took, and it was a 3-second interval. So you're just gonna use the position function, put in 3 for time, find where it was at 3 seconds, put in 0 for time, find where it was at 0 seconds, subtract to get how far it went, divide by the time, and that will give you the average velocity. Then for part 2, it asks us to find the instantaneous velocity right at 3 seconds. So this is where we're going to actually get the velocity function so we can find velocity at a particular point in time. And you're going to get the velocity function by taking the derivative of the position function that we have. So when you do that, you take the derivative of the first term, you use the power rule, and you get 0.6 t squared. And then for the second term, when you take the derivative, you get 6t. And so then to find velocity at 3 seconds, you're just going to put in 3 for t and find the velocity at that point in time.